In today's video, we will demonstrate how to create a group rule using basic conditions before moving on to creating a rule that utilizes Okta expression language. Let's get started. First, log into the Okta admin console. Navigate to Directory and then Groups. Choose the Rules tab. Enter a name for the new rule, such as Sales Department Rule. Leave the default option, Use Basic Condition, selected. In the If section, build the condition. In our example, we will leave User Attribute selected and then select User.Department from the Attribute dropdown. Choose Equals and enter a department value. We will use Sales. In the Then Assign To field, enter the group name where the user should be assigned. In our scenario, we are assigning the user to the Sales group. Enter an example user in the Preview field. A message will be displayed indicating if the user matches the rule. Then, click Save. The first rule has now been created. Select the Actions option and click Activate to make the new rule active. It now shows an active status. Let's check the result of the rule by navigating to the All tab and selecting the Sales group. We can see that one user was assigned to the group. The test user is in the group, and their membership displays as managed by the group rule. Selecting the user and viewing their profile shows that the user is in the sales department. The rule ran successfully. Now let's create a rule using Okta expression language, which can be used for more complex logic. We will see how to create a new rule that evaluates if a user's department equals accounting or finance, and if so assigns the user to the test group. To create the group rule, log into the Okta admin console. Navigate to Directory, then Groups. Select the Rules tab, then click on Add Rule. Give the new rule a name and select the option for Use Okta expression language. In the If field, enter the criteria to evaluate if the user's department attribute equals accounting or finance. In the Then Assign To field, enter the group name where the user should be assigned. Use the Preview feature to test if a user meets the condition. Enter a user value in the Preview field. A message will be displayed indicating if the user matches the rule. Then, press Save. The new group rule is now created. Select the Actions option and Activate to activate the new rule. The rule status now shows as active. Let's check the result of the rule. By navigating to the All tab and selecting the test group, we can see that one user was assigned to the group. The user shows in the group, and the Managed By column contains the newly created rule value. Selecting the user and choosing Profile shows that this user is part of the finance department. The rule ran successfully. Thank you for watching. Check out our Okta support playlist for more. We encourage you to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our latest help resources.